Touch targets can be selected by tapping or by crossing. Previous work compared tapping and crossing with pens and mice, but not touch. We adapt a previous experiment to compare touch tapping to discrete touch crossing and continuous touch crossing. We show discrete crossing is similar to tapping, but directionally constrained continuous touch crossing is fastest. We also investigate cursor feedback and use FFitts law for modeling crossing. Our work provides design guidelines and sets the stage for more expressive touch crossing techniques.